Here we are in the Peterborough Claims Centre where all the calls come in. We take the initial calls from customers here, and as you can imagine, some of them are pretty distressed, so it's vital we respond quickly and efficiently.
One area that really differentiates us as a major insurer in the UK is our response to emergency incidents such as the current flooding in East Yorkshire. We're absolutely the first insurer on the scene, highly visible, helping our customers and coordinating our response with our in-house loss adjusting team and our network of suppliers and contractors. Working in association with the local authorities, we've set up a number of emergency incident centres, such as the one behind me, where customers, be them Royal Sun Alliance, Mordan or anybody else, can come in for advice.
It was all hands to pumps and certainly extremely busy for the first few days, but people don't mind when you hear what's happening to the customers. We're just glad we can help. You're talking to people who have lost everything, for example, nowhere to live or have no food. We were able to make emergency payments direct to people's accounts to fund their immediate needs.
The big thing done. We've only got a little roof. We were given about half an hour to get out because we were told that it would only rain, flood over the other side of the road. So we evacuated our premises, and I went to my sister up the lane, and we all went to her son's at Tickle in Doncaster, and we stayed there. Then when we came back, we came down here, but we couldn't get anywhere near the lane for all the water. But we contacted you straight away. I spoke with the young lady in your office who was absolutely brilliant and sympathetic, and then she contacted Gary Chapman, who's been an angel. Well, I don't know if a young man is an angel, he was an angel, and he was wonderful. And I couldn't ask for any more help.
As soon as we've been appointed by RSA, who are one of our preferred insurance companies, on properties like this which have been completely devastated, the first thing to do is to get to the policyholder, make contact with the policyholder. What happens next in here, for example, we need to get all the appliances out of here, strip the place, take the plaster off the walls, then we can start the cleaning process, sanitise the kitchen area. Any particular items that are salvageable and of sentimental value will start the restoration and cleaning, and basically get this place in a position where it can be habitable.
I'm from Petersgate, Scorthorpe, Doncaster. I'm a flood victim. I was flooded on the Monday. Royal Sun Alliance have been absolutely brilliant. They come out the following week. We've sorted everything out. We're trying to sort the builders out and everything now. I've come down to Tolbar today to finalise everything, and I've been really happy with the service that I've had from Gary Chapman.
It was 3 weeks ago today that the floods first hit. I walked into the first property in Doncaster that I had to deal with, and there was a frog in the middle of the floor. I was in my Wellington boots. Little did I realise the scale of things then. Now 3 weeks later, we've got the Royal and Sun Alliance show lineup. We've got a team of people with everyone working together to help the people of Doncaster. We've been absolutely non-stop in the first week, visiting every customer that we could at all hours, day and night, weekends, just to give them the reassurance that they've had an insurance policy, it was a quality policy, and that we were going to help them through this very, very difficult period. I had people break down in tears on me just when I confirmed simply that they were covered, and ever since we've been revisiting them, just giving them that reassurance that what Royal and Sun Alliance is all about, how we're going to help them through this. I phoned up the claim centres, people issued cheques straight away, customers are contacting me the next day to say they've got the money, and they're absolutely delighted, especially when they've talked to their neighbours.
We've set up a special team to look after those customers worst affected, in partnership with our loss adjusting teams. In addition, we have proactively called customers in those postcode areas affected just to check that they're okay and see if there's anything we could do to help.